Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making buffalo chicken mac and cheese. The ingredients that we're going to need today are vegetable oil, elbow macaroni, all-purpose flour, adobo all-purpose seasoning, hot sauce, parsley flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, sazon, evaporated milk, butter, eggs, mozzarella cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, extra sharp white cheddar cheese, colby jack cheese, and also chicken breast. Okay, so I'm going to do the ingredients in 3 parts. So for the buffalo chicken, you're going to need 1 pound of chicken breast cut into chunks. I used 3 chicken breasts. I'm going to need 2 to 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 cup of hot sauce, 2 large eggs, and you want to whisk them together, and 1 packet of sazon. Now for the mac and cheese, you're going to need 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese, 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, 2 to 3 cans of the 12-ounce evaporated milk, 8 ounces of colby jack cheese, and 8 ounces of white sharp cheddar cheese. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Finally, for our buffalo sauce, we're going to need 1 cup of hot sauce and 1 stick of butter, and I have 1/2 a teaspoon of dried parsley flakes for garnish at the end. To a pot of boiling water, you want to add in your elbow macaroni. And we're going to cook it according to the instructions on the box. Okay guys, now to a large bowl, you want to add your chicken chunks. Then we're going to pour in our eggs and also our 1/2 cup of hot sauce. And we're just going to mix everything until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, set it to the side. Now to a small bowl, I'm going to add my sazon, my tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of ground black pepper, and my tablespoon of smoked paprika. And we're just going to whisk it together until it's well combined. Next to your flour, you want to add in your seasoning. Now we're going to whisk that together, and you want to make sure it's well combined. And guys, if you would like, you can add like 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. I'm not adding any salt. And 1/2 a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which I am not adding. That's optional. Now to my pan, I added oil for frying. Once your macaroni is done cooking, you want to drain all water from it and set it to the side. While you're waiting for your oil to heat up, you want to take your chicken breast and put them into the flour, and you want to coat them. Once your oil is heated up, you're going to go ahead and add in your chicken chunks. And we're going to cook them until they're nice and golden and crispy. As you can see, they're getting nice and crispy. Okay guys, my first batch is done, so I'm going to remove them and place them onto a wire rack. So I'm ready to put my second batch in now. Okay, so our chicken chunks are now done. I'm just letting them drain any excess oil off of them. Okay guys, now for our buffalo sauce, you want to get a saucepan. We're going to add our stick of butter in. We're going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add cup of hot sauce. And all you want to do is whisk that together. And here is your buffalo sauce. It's that simple. Now I'm going to take my chicken chunks and add them to my bowl. Now you want to add in your buffalo sauce. Now just toss it all together. You want all your pieces nicely coated. Once you're done, set it to the side. To a pot over medium heat, I'm going to add in my evaporated milk. Once it begins to heat up, I'm going to add in my teaspoon of adobo, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I'm just going to whisk it in. If you guys want to add salt, you can. Next, I'm going to add in my Colby Jack cheese and also my white sharp cheddar. And we're going to let that melt. Okay guys, once the cheese has melted, turn off your heat. Okay guys, to a cast iron skillet, you want to go ahead and add in your elbow macaroni. Next, we're going to go ahead and pour our cheese sauce over top. Once you're done with your cheese sauce, I'm going to go ahead and get some cheddar. I'm going to place that over top. along with our mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, once you're done, you want to put it in your oven, 350 degrees. And we're going to leave it in there until the top gets nice and bubbly and golden. Okay guys, as you can see, it's getting nice and bubbly and golden. Okay guys, our macaroni and cheese is done. Look how good that looks. Okay guys, now we're going to get our chicken chunks and just place it on top. I'm going to place all of them on top of our macaroni and cheese. Okay guys, now look at that. Look how beautiful that is. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some dried parsley just for garnish. It's optional. Just going to sprinkle some over top. Then I have some buffalo sauce, and we're just going to go ahead over top with that also. Okay guys, so we're just going to go in on the side so you can see. This tastes really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.